Well, well, well. Let's fucking go, let's go, let's go. I know I didn't record much of the motor being done, but you guys, we're gonna put it in today, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. But I think I'm gonna start bolting on this intercooler. Another build video on the ute, so let's go. I got all these brand new brackets for Daniel's stage 3 plasma intercooler, but I don't have instructions because there's like certain millimeters and stuff you gotta cut holes and do all this weird shit. So I'm gonna get on their website, get these instructions up so I can get these measurements, and we're gonna start off by actually putting this bottom bracket on. And I'm pretty sure the intercooler bolts onto these as well as on the top as well. So let's get to it, yo. This bolt has come out of this hole. There's a bolt right here as well, actually. I didn't even see that one. After you take this off, you gotta take this plastic bit out of it, and you want to jam it in the support bar for the intercooler as a replacement. It just sits in there. You can't really like, I mean, you could probably glue it, but it's just sitting in there for now. And then do the same for the other side. This is probably not the most flattering angle of me, but it is what it is, eh? Alright, you got both of those radiator supports off. You can put the bracket like on top of a jack stand if you have one. And let's just get a second person, should be alright. And you want to jack these up, yeah? Okay. With the radiator sitting on it. And I'll show you these two lips on the outside. It's the same on both sides. You see this? You gotta make sure it's on the outside of here because you're gonna be drilling holes to bolt this onto here. There's a bracket right here. I think it's for the window wipers. You gotta take that off too because it's in the way. But I'm gonna see if I can put it back on after. Measured the distance from here to the bar, 103 mil. Did hole like, I don't know if you can see, drew some dots so I can see where to drill. And same on both sides. These better fit, bro, honestly. Ooh, let's not do that one, buddy. Please fit in the hole, please fit in the hole. Oh, it fits perfectly. Why, thank you very much. You stay there. Ah, yeah. The compressor's on, the compressor's on, but to quickly show you guys, you gotta chop this bad boy off, this whole thing. I mark it there, and use this. And then on the inside, you're gonna trim a bit of this metal bit, but I'll show you what it's done. So you guys can see, we've obviously cut this whole thing out, the plastic. Now, there's a little bit right down there. Focus up on that bad boy. There you go. That's what you're gonna cut out of that metal bit. So let's get to it.
What's up guys? Welcome to another video.
You really thought I wasn't going to be here, mate? Look at me holding the mic like it's a DJ play that shit microphone guy. Yeah, this is my friend Bradley. He's from Melbourne, just so you guys know.
Yeah, visiting.
Yeah, we got Ainsley here as well, but he's God knows where. This is a video of this, man. We're just gonna do a random little vlog. We're gonna go to Joe's Diner, and I'm actually hosting a meet today. Like I said from my last meet, you guys have got to be following me on my TikToks and Instagrams and stuff, because I don't really plan meets. I kind of just like tell you guys like a week before or a couple days before. Just cause, no reason, it's just more fun that way. Yeah, we're just gonna clean this bad boy. And we got, I don't have my time on me. We're gonna be leaving to go to Joe's in like 30 minutes. So we better hurry up.
Make it quick. Okay.
The way your love letters, thought it made me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I'm sending you one text at a time. I know you by your phone, so go pick up your line. And I ain't so proud to be. So what's been said has been said. But I need you to know you don't know what love is. But I need you to know you don't know. Yeah, you don't know what love is. If you don't put up with the fight, yeah, you don't know what love is. If you don't stay up all night crying, you don't know what love is.
Alright, we just finished washing the car. Thanks, Brad. We're gonna go in 15 minutes. We're gonna meet Adam and a few other people we're pretty sure at Joe's Diner. And we're actually we're actually seeing Ross Reviews again for the second time. And we're gonna do a little video for his channel. And I'm just gonna continue with my vlog. I'm gonna show you guys Joe's Diner, just whatever cars are there. And then I'm probably gonna leave early because my meet's straight after. But I want to get home because I'm meeting some people here as well, like Shelby and Matt and Daniel. So let's just get to it. 15 minutes departure. Let's go, baby. Jump. Fire! Like this. And then we can finish the video. Done. Press this red button. We officially arrived. Yeah, the boys. We got Jack here. We got Brad and Ainsley. Look at him. Oh, hello, hello. Look at him squatting down for the whip pick. We made it. Oh yeah, by the way, that's Jack's new car. It's a Crown. So cool, so slammed. We love it. Mate. I would love to get a nice Bronco. Ain't that clean? I'm looking at getting a 4B soon. What do you guys reckon? Leave a comment below what 4B I should get. Look at the size of the turbo on this guy, bro. And I'm not even like, I'm more like shook about the dish, to be honest. You can fit like a slab in there and more. It's a mint interior too. Sick. It's been pretty cool GT40s here. I don't know who's a legit check, guys, to see if it's things are replicas or not. But it's still cool. You can appreciate it. Come on. There's actually some decent cars out here. I like the variety. That's kind of like the main reason why I like being here. Nice little walkie. Fucking tough as. Oh, sorry. That's really tough. I like the color too. What a git, bro. I put the camera on him and he turns around. Yo. Sup, bro? Sup, bro? Nice little gelato here. Next to a Supra Mark IV. Look at me, man. I'm like a car guy. I-30, E90. 2 M3. I'd cop one of those actually. Clean red one. Oh, listen to that lumpy thing over there. I don't know if my mic's actually picking up the noise, but there's like hella truck noise behind me. And then there's like cars obviously coming in. And then the boys around here. Oh, I'm so keen for later. I just want to go send it. So much fun. That's so weird. That looks like Matt's car. What the heck? So fast. Look at that, bit of a YouTube spot guy. Look at Ross Reviews right there, spotting the YouTuber. And Jono, look at him. Mad dog. Look at this, guys. Batley's car. Sexiest thing ever, bro. Oh, look at that, bro. R34, so clean. Nice little car. Don't worry, buddy. I'm not recording you, buddy. Don't worry. PSI right here. You guys know him already. You can just go on his page if you want to know more about his build. Damn clean, but look at the size of it. Polished turbo. So dark in here, but at least a little bit of recording. Let's go. Me and Jono, PSI, helping Ross review of a little video on our cars. So we're just gonna move them to somewhere where there's a bit more light. Yeah. We're just full block in this area. Funny, huh? But it's the start of our video with the man. Let's go, baby. Yeah, boy. Get them angles on your new Sony camera. Choo! Bonnets are up, guys. I'm scared. It's never been up before. These cars are big turbos, bro. Making me jealous. You! My man!
Back again.
Back again. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, brother.
Oh my God. We're gonna film a little video for Ross and then have some fun, I guess.
Absolutely, bro.
I'm keen as. It's so random that year, I can't lie.
I love it, man. I'm coming back again and again.
And again and again, and eventually he's just gonna own.
I'll just stay here, bro.
He's just gonna own this place. Camera setup, you already know the drill. His channel will be in the description as usual.
Ooh.
Alright, I'm putting my camera down. We're gonna film his. Oh, fucking hell, bro. Oh, we just did a little bit for Ross's video. Like I said, his channel's gonna be in the description as usual. Jono's literally just putting out. Jono's actually doing his bit in the video. So yeah, I'm pretty keen to see the video. We're probably gonna leave here because there's a highway patrol just sitting at the front, so I'm probably gonna gap soon. Go home for a bit, pick up Daniel. I think Adam's coming and whatnot, and then probably start heading towards my cruise at 6:30. Oh, I just want to see some cars send it, bro, so bad, you got no idea. All right, let's get that. All right, boys, we're at Himpama United. It's my local spot where I get E85. Just gotta fill up, bro, because we came from Joe's Meat, and I'm on like 30 kilometers, so I need to fill up like right now. We've got some of the boys here. Batley's there, and we've got Shelby Matt over there, and I'm brain dead. Jack. And yeah, so I'm gonna fill up. I'm gonna shoot some B-roll after this. Is this guy gonna turn my fuel on? Whenever they want to put my fuel in, I'll be happy.
There's gonna be something probably happening down there. If we head that way, shit, man.
Which way?
So I'm just fixing my hat.
Oh, what's on your arm there?
Oh, shit, I didn't think you noticed. It's a little something.
Oh, yeah, right. You gotta do that.
Oh, praise be to Allah.
Yeah.
I'm fucking freezing.
He's freezing, guys. Someone cuddle him. Come get him, somebody, please. Where's your car?
Where'd I park?
Oh, it's right there. Well, you moved. How?
Ford Falcon.
There it is, boys. You heard it here. What happens if you did?
Oh, he's done that. He does just do that. Stop.
Give a little jump start.
Oh, extra boost, right?
That's how the heavies do it.
Yeah, right.
Fingers in the turbs.
Yep, that makes sense. This is exciting. They kind of said they're going to call security guards on us, so we probably should go. There's like actually quite a bit of cars here. So cool. Whoa, no, we're not doing that, guys. We are on the way to the next place. We're just cruising there now. Mate, 3 highway patrols. I didn't even post this meet. 3 highway patrols blocked up last minute. So we just all like left. Literally 7 o'clock. Yeah, we're just on the way to the next spot. Just gonna cruise there. Can't see anyone around us, which is fucking strange. We left a piece of people, but there's like no one else.
My fans get them more for me. Make sure I might switch her ring.